They hit something so hard that it ripped the front half of this box. I know I'm at your mercy.
There's a lot of bad guys out there I can tell you to stay away from.
That's kind of helpful too. So we got a pretty crazy situation. Our fleet management company is here based in Maryland, but all the trucks that we work with are based all over the United States. We have a client whose vehicle broke down in southern Florida, about 1,000 miles away. And Morgan, my fleet manager, who is the bomb, passed this one off to me because it's a special situation. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna look at the area map and see which truck it is that broke down. I'm gonna use the Downtime Terminator platform, which is our in-house management software. And I'm gonna see here that this guy is somewhere in Homestead, Florida. If I zoom out just a little bit here, you can see that it's just south of Miami on the lower tip of Florida. So I'm gonna go ahead now and start calling every single body shop that I can find that's gonna be open to see if we can close this thing down. And when I mean this is a problem, I mean they hit something so hard that it ripped the front half of this box up into the air. So they can't drive it very far and they can't drive it fast because it's gonna act like a sail and rip the rest of the roof apart. So here's the other thing that we have to layer on top of all this. This client moves very expensive, high-end quality entertainment equipment. They're a wonderful company that does incredible events, and we cannot afford for them to have any of their equipment damaged. So not only does this repair have to happen at 2:41 p.m. on a Friday in southern Florida, 1,200 miles away, it needs to be good enough to make it back to Maryland so we can repair it in our body shop here, and it needs to be able to hold all the water and all the material out that's going to be coming down, because as they travel back, they're going to be coming through a snowstorm, and right now the weather people are saying that we could have 8 inches of snow. So this is like some of the crazy things that you get to deal with as a fleet management company in Maryland, operating and managing vehicles all over the place. Now, if this was a client that was just based in Florida, it'd be no problem, because we would just find a body shop that would work with them, make sure that we go through the insurance process properly and get the vehicle repaired for them. But because they have to travel about 1,200 miles and we're on a time crunch, what we have to think about as fleet managers is how much more will it cost them to keep their guy sitting in a hotel room? How difficult is it going to be for them to get another truck to get their materials back so they can put them out on other jobs? But really, how do we get them out of the downtime loop into the profitability loop as quickly as possible? And that's what's going to happen next. So now I got to get on the phone and start calling people. Basically ripped off the front of that box truck. I didn't know if you guys had anyone that could just bubblegum duct tape that back together so it could make it back to its home base in Maryland.
Gotcha. Unfortunately, I don't have anybody that's able to do that. I'm sorry.
Well, no worries. If I find someone who treats me well, I will let you know so you can connect with them and grow your business.
Perfect. Thank you.
All right. Thank you. Have a great day. This is fleet management at its finest. Hello. Can you hear me? Oh, that's good. I have a truck that needs to have some box repair done so it can make a trip back up to Maryland. Is that something you can help with? Yo tengo un camión grande. Necesita ayuda, por favor.
Okay, ¿y dónde está?
In Homestead. Está en Homestead.
Un segundo.
Okay, gracias. Yeah, no worries, man. I appreciate your time.
Yeah, anytime.
All right, have a good one.
Hello.
Hey, is this Adam? Hey, man, I'm a mobile mechanic up in the Washington, D.C. area, and I got a box truck and hit something and basically ripped the first eighth of the box truck off. I didn't know if you or someone you knew would be able just to put a sheet of aluminum across that and rivet it back together.
Honestly, I don't have anybody in that area right now, Bubba.
I gotcha. If I was...
I'd love to help you, bud.
No, I appreciate that. If I was to ask you for a recommendation, who would you connect me with?
There's a lot of bad guys out there I can tell you to stay away from.
That's kind of helpful too. It is so helpful to get the local scoop on who not to use. And I appreciate this guy because he even told me that his competitor, who he doesn't like, is actually pretty good. That's an honest guy. I have a truck that needs to have some box repair done so it can make a trip back up to Maryland. Is that something you can help with?
Yes, I can.
Okay. What's your number? All right. I'm shooting this over to you.
Oh, damn, that's a bad one.
I know, man. It's terrible.
Jojo, come on in. Take a look at this. Gio, come on in.
You're getting everybody involved.
Send them over.
All right, JR, thank you so much. I'm Blair, and I will have that driver heading your way right now.
All right, thanks, bud.
All right, thank you, sir. I will say that there is something super interesting about this business, is that if you are in the mobile mechanic space and you are not in your area and you call someone totally random, they're super helpful. Hey Josh, how's it going?
All right, what's up?
I sent you a link to Rubio Auto Body Corp. They got a guy there named JR that if they can head that direction right now, they will take a look at it and see what they can band-aid together to make it come back up here to Maryland. But they gotta get in the truck and start driving now.
All right, thanks so much. Appreciate it.
All right, let me know when he gets there. Tell him to call JR and then call me.
All right, we'll do.
Thank you. All right, so we were super fortunate and we were able to find them an auto repair shop that is just a couple of miles away that's willing to just get this thing temporarily repaired so that it doesn't have any water intrusion because they're moving a bunch of entertainment equipment. And we're able to do that because we have GPS tracking on all of our fleet partners. We can see exactly where they are. They're able to send us communication through the platform so we can get pictures of it. And now we're able to get them sorted. And if we just look here at our map, we can actually see where their truck is located and where the body shop that they're going to take it to is located. And it's just a few miles away, so we'll be able to track when they get there to contact the body shop and make sure we can get this thing put back together as quickly and cheaply as possible. And they've made it. Hey boss, I'm just checking the GPS. It looks like he just pulled into your guy's body shop.
Yeah, I'm looking at it.
Okay.
He sucked this up.
He made a major issue. Yeah, do you mind giving me a rough estimate of what you think it will take to fix that? I know I'm at your mercy.
Let me do this. Let me figure it out with my guy here, and I'll call you back and let you know how much.
You're the man. Thank you.
I know you're in the gym. I'm not gonna abuse you. You're in the gym. I'm gonna try to help you as much as I can.
I appreciate you, man. I'm gonna make you the most beautiful spotlight video. When you fix this thing, can you do me a favor and have you and the mechanics that worked on it standing in front of it and take a picture so I can make the most badass Google review for you ever?
All right, you got it.
All right, thank you.
We'll get your guy going. We're just gonna put a band-aid on it so we can get up to you guys.
Exactly.
Got it.
You're the best.
I'll get started.
Thank you.
Hey, do it.
What a gentleman. All right, so we've got it here. The truck is now off. They've turned it off. It's no longer idling. We can tell here now that it's gray. So I'm gonna wait for JR from Rubio Auto Body to give me a call back and let me know what we're looking at for a build and just some pictures of the repair so we make sure that it's reasonably okay to drive back to Maryland. So update on that truck in Florida. They are at a body shop right now and they're gonna do some sort of potential repair just to get him back here. So just wanna let you know that they're making it. Oh, dude, yes, let's go. That's awesome.
I have all four guys, one on the roof, one inside the box, one outside the box, one holding the ladder, just to get it done. So basically all I'm gonna do is, in the materials, I have $88. That's what I spent at Home Depot.
Okay.
I'm only gonna bill for two of my guys for 2 hours, so it's 4 hours. So I'm gonna charge you $300 for that. So $388 is your total.
You are a legend. I hope you and your team knows that. What's the best way for me to get you paid?
Whatever is easier for you. If you want to use Zelle, if you want to use a credit card.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Yeah, you got it.
All right. I appreciate it. You have a great day. That's how it's done. Manage your fleet remotely, making sure that your trucks stay on the road. This truck had 2.5 hours of downtime from the moment that they hit the low-hanging obstruction to the moment that it was fixed. And if that doesn't make you want to work with us, I got no idea what will. But I'm happy to help you become your fleet partner and integrate in with your business, understand your business model, and make sure that your downtime is as low as possible. So if you like this video, be sure to shoot us a message, give us a call, and until the next video, happy motoring.